Hello and welcome to day 9 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that we've been tapping together for 9 days. Today's tapping is inspired by the song Silent Night. We're going to tap into the feeling of all is calm and all is love. I know that's not the actual lyrics, but we're going to tap into that feeling of calmness. And we're going to expand the feeling of love in our body so we can radiate that out. It's almost Christmas, so there's no room to feel anything else but love, joy, and abundance. Okay, so we're going to tap into that. Whenever you're ready, let's start tapping on the side of the hand. Sometimes I feel disconnected from love. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. So many people have hurt me, betrayed me, and rejected me, taken advantage of me. I love and accept myself anyway. It feels scary to let love in again, but this is the holiday season. A season of love and magic. A season of giving and receiving. So I'm opening myself up to miracles. And I'm releasing all blocks and limiting beliefs. And stepping into the energy of unconditional love. Eyebrow point. Sometimes I feel disconnected from love. It's hard to trust that love is always around me. I've been hurt before. And it makes me want to protect myself. It's easier to shut my heart down. I'm afraid of getting hurt again. I accept all these fears and resistance. And I choose to gently release it. Love is safe. It's safe for me to give and receive love. I choose to keep my heart open. And I'm releasing all barriers to love. It's safe to open my heart. Love is all around me. I'm surrounded by the energy of unconditional love. I'm worthy of love just as I am. Love flows to me effortlessly. Love is my natural state. And it feels so good to align with it. I'm choosing to stay in this vibration of love. I trust that I'm always deeply loved and supported. I see love in every corner of my life. The more love I give, the more love I receive. I'm so grateful for all the love that's around me. I see love in myself in others and the world around me. Love is always available to me because I am love. It's not separate from me. I am a source of love. My heart is full of love. My life is filled with love. I am love.